Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your inventory and record float, where pattern ID and tradability for each candidate. Once done, pick a target and calculate the required input items and the break-even profit percentage so you know if the trade-up is worth pursuing. Make sure to reserve a small buffer, cash or low-value items, for bridging fees or covering a failed result. This setup gets you into action immediately and prevents wasted attempts later on. Now you source inputs efficiently. Scan marketplaces with filters for float, stat track, and price, and use 24-hour volume to gauge liquidity. Once you find candidates, cross-check patterns and avoid known high-variance patterns. Target items in a consistent float range to reduce RNG variance. Next, execute a batch strategy. Buy small groups of 5 to 10 items to test the model and observe outcomes. If results align with projections, scale up gradually rather than committing all at once. Finish by executing trades carefully. Use the game or trade interface, confirm each input slot, and double-check item ID and properties before committing. Once completed, analyze outcomes by recording results and recalculating expected value after 10 to 20 trials so you can spot bias or market shift. If things go wrong, pause and reevaluate. Check for pattern mismatches, float drift, or market slippage. Then adjust your input mix or stop scaling until the variance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.